I just got this Kreg K5 Master System pocket hole jig today. Here's the box, just took it out and tried it out for about 2.5 minutes and decided that it's junk. Everything that came with it seems really good. I got all these clamps and screws and all sort of stuff. This setup seems to work good and everything, but this, the heart of the system, the clamp, doesn't clamp anything. Alright, now according to the instructions, I'm supposed to put it in the workpiece, slide this all the way back, which I've done. As you can see, it's all the way out. And then what I'm supposed to do is push this handle all the way down, that's the clamp position. Then slide this up to the piece, hold on to it while I lift this until it clicks twice. 1, 2. There. So that's supposed to put the right amount of tension on. So then I go to tighten it down, and it just goes like that, and then I yank the piece out and throw it away. Alright, there's a little ratcheting mechanism under here that doesn't seem to really work worth a damn. I mean, I can pull it back just with my fingers. So don't waste your money. No good.